channel. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Siddhi and I'm a cabin crew. So in today's video I'm going to discuss with you all cabin crew interview questions, like what are the questions interviewer is going to ask you for the interview day, on your interview day. So if you have not seen my video how to get ready for the cabin crew interview, go and check that out. And if you have not seen my video what to wear for the cabin crew interview, go and check that out as well. So in today's video I'm going to discuss the questions which interviewer is going to ask, and I'm not going to give an answer in today's video. If you want for answer of like any particular question, let me know. I will definitely make a video for the answer as well. But in today's video all I'm going to discuss is questions, like what type of questions they are going to ask and the reason behind each and every questions. So this might be a little long video, but don't forget to watch it completely, because by this video you can make the answers of your own as well. And if you need help, then you can always ask me on my Instagram or down in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's just get began with the video. Guys, first of all, it is very important to understand the reason behind the interviewers are asking you question. First, the most important reason is they want to communicate with you. Why they want to communicate with you? Because they are going to hire you, they are going to take you in their company, and you are going to the face of the company. So it is very important that interviewers know you, your family, about you and everything. Not much about the family, but a little bit, just an idea, but most importantly about you. And the second most important thing is they just want to check your communication skill, like how well you're going to communicate, because all you have to do is the communication. If you have not seen my qualities video, then you can check that out. On that I've discussed with you all what are the qualities you need to become a cabin crew. So this is one of the question as well. So yes, this is the reason. And the second most reason, and the third reason, why interviewer is asking you the questions is interviewer wants to know that how you will deal with the particular situation, how the person you are, and how you are going to deal with the situations, what has happened with you about your past or something like that. So this is the reason why interviewers are asking you all these questions. So number one question for sure, like for 100% they are going to ask is, tell me something about yourself or introduce yourself. This question, the reason behind asking this question is interviewer wants to know about you. Interviewer wants to know about your qualification, your age, your hobbies, your likes, dislikes, and everything about you, like what you have done, and so all like about you, your name, everything. So this is the first of the reason why interviewer are asking you. And this question definitely they're going to ask. First of all, the number one question, like when you sit in front of the interviewer, this is the question the interviewer going to ask you. Next question, they might ask you the question from your CV. If you have written something in your CV, like about your work experience, then about your particular hobby, then they might ask you the questions on that. Like if the work experience, then they might ask you why have you left the particular job, what you have learned from the job or anything. Or about your hobby, then they might ask you what you have learned from your hobby, or show us something from your hobby. Like if you have written in your hobby, like you can do the good mimicry or anything, something like that, then they might ask you to show over there. So always remember, whenever you write the hobby, you write it very true, which really you have to think. This question is, what do you know about our airline? By this question the interviewer really wants to know that what you know about them. हाँ, आप ऐसे ही नहीं चले गए इंटरव्यू देने, आपने कुछ स्टडी की है, आपको कुछ पता है उनके एयरलाइन के बारे में. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर एयरलाइन. जो भी एयरलाइन में आप इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं, मेक श्योर टू रीड अबाउट देयर ऑन द गूगल, लाइक अबाउट देयर वेबसाइट, अबाउट देयर पेज, अवार्ड्स, सब कुछ आपको पता होना चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत पर्टिकुलर एयरलाइन के बारे में. So that is very important question. And the next question they will ask you is, what is your strength and weakness? So say they are going to know that how strong you are, like how you are going to deal in your work, लाइक आपकी स्ट्रेंथ ही आपको आपका वहाँ पे काम कैसे आप करोगे वो डिसाइड करेगी. आपकी वीकनेस, देयर आर सम वीकनेस जिससे आप हो सकता है उनकी सेफ्टी में लैप्स हो जाए या फिर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाए. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेल अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रेंथ एंड द वीकनेस. गाइज, दिस क्वेश्चन is like a very rare question which interviewer might ask. It's not for the 100% sure, but they might ask you this question. Okay, so next question they can ask you is how do you get to know about the interview? Yes, they will definitely ask, because by this question they will also get to know कि आपको कैसे पता चलता है इंटरव्यू के बारे में, so that they can more focus on that thing. जैसे उनको भी बहुत if you need them then they also need you, so उनको भी पता चलेगा कि कहाँ से कैंडिडेट्स उनके एयरलाइन में आते हैं मोस्टली. So they might ask you and you just have to give the true answer, but mostly I will say आप यही बोलो कि आपको उनके करियर पेज से पता चला. So that will be like a little safer side for you and that will make an impression. So next question they will ask you this, why do you want to become cabin crew? By this question they will get to know that the reason behind you want to become cabin crew. There are so many girls or many boys, like there are many people I have seen in the interview who just want to become cabin crew for the traveling purpose or to earn money or to see the world. But guys, this are not the job of the cabin crew. This is not the job of the cabin crew. You will definitely have this thing. You will definitely see the world. You will definitely meet different people. You will definitely travel. You will definitely earn a good money. But this is not the main thing of the cabin crew. Safety is the most important thing of the cabin crew. So that's the reason they they will ask you, so that they will come to know कि आपको कितना पता है उस जॉब के बारे में and how much you are serious about that. Next question is, who is your inspiration? Yes, they are just asking this question to know कि आप कितना चीज़ों को समझ रहे हो, how much you are like very inspired, और मतलब आपके बारे में जानने के लिए, and to check your communication skill. This is the reason the interviewer might ask you, who is your inspiration? And be very honest, guys. This is the question they have asked me as well, and I've just said what I wanted to. Who is my inspiration? I've clearly said that. Okay, guys, so next question is, what do you do in your free time? Yes, by this they will get to know कि आपको क्या करना पसंद है, just to check the communication skills, as I said. So they might ask you, yes, they have definitely asked me कि what you do in your free time. So as I said things, but don't say that you like to spend your free time on social media. If you want to say that, you have to be very careful कि आप क्या क्या देखते हो social media, थोड़ा सा motivational inspiration बताओ. So yes, you can say that as well. Whatever you do, you have to say, but make sure you make an impression over there, and you understand their point of view behind asking this particular. Next question they might ask you is, who is in your family? Yes, by this question they just want to know a little bit about your background, like who is in your family is like going to be asked, like आपके थोड़े background के बारे में पता चलेगा, कौन आपकी family में है, क्या हुआ. If someone is not there, for example like your mother, father, whoever, if someone is not there, then they might ask you what has happened or anything related to that. So yes, you have to be very honest with them, because anyways when you will fill up the form, they will get to know who is there and who is not. So be honest in the interview, guys. The most important thing is honesty over there. Be honest. Whatever the question they ask you, be honest. The question they will ask you is, what are the qualities you need to become a cabin crew? Why they are going to ask you this question is, they need to know that आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके अंदर क्या quality होनी चाहिए. There are many people who will just think you need to look beautiful, you need to have a good skin or anything like that, or a fair skin tone. But no, guys, there are specific qualities you need to become a cabin crew. I have already made a video on this question, so you can check that out. I will put the link over here. So next question they will ask you is, how you deal with the negative people. With this, they just want to see how much positive you are and how you exactly deal with the people, because on board you have to deal with so many people daily. So yes, guys, this is the reason interviewers are going to ask you how you deal with the negative people.